My name is Omanhene Yaw, Boakye, welcoming you to the show from now till 9:30 when we make way for the sports team. The sports team will be joining us this morning with tip-off. Stay tuned. What are the news making headlines? World Fisheries Day 2025. Omanhene John Dramani Mahama is announcing new Clean Beaches initiative. Now, he says he's going to give monthly allowances for workers. Let's hear what he's got to say.
This year, 50 million cedis has been allocated for procurement of outboard motors and fishing inputs for fishers and fishmongers. We are also going to launch an initiative for clean beaches. And so the fishers are going to be involved. We're going to employ people to clean the beaches and make sure that our beaches are clean. You can give us your children, we'll employ them to help clean the beaches for us, and we'll pay them a monthly allowance.
Okay, Juma Ba. The 24-hour economy is about creating jobs, not enforcing endless work cycles. Vice President explains.
The 24-hour economy. When President Mahama returned to office, he set out a clear, practical vision to make Ghana's economy more productive, more competitive, and more inclusive. That vision is captured in our flagship policy, the 24-hour economy framework. This idea is not about any citizen working endlessly. It is about how we want to organize the economy to function continuously and efficiently, powered by stable energy, modern logistics, skilled labor, and digital networks. It recognizes that in a globally connected world, productivity cannot end when the sun sets. To operationalize this, the 24-hour economy is being built on 8 strategic pillars.
Okay. And in your change now say, but tiny yourself be juma. Then you say Ghana for be juma or more home in your but the bottom line is to give jobs to people. Candidates come and go, but the elephant lives on. Our loyalty must stay with the MPP, not camps. Without that, we cannot win power for our party and for Ghana. Brian Champon, speaking at Doma East constituency.
Nansa na no yeto abama no e de ni din ana ne picture e ko ballot paper no so nfa chomo kai o kufuo ko ballot paper no so na edubuan ya ko ballot paper no so afiri so na kufuo ko ye no na osono no e wo ballot paper no so me boa kufuo firi ho ma ye de kufuo adu ti e beto ballot paper no so e kufuo adu firi ho na ballot osono no ye den e wo ho Ekufu adu fi ho ne yedi baomia ti beto so baomia eko ye no so no wo e baomia afi so so no da so wo yedi mi ti ebe kwa akoto ballot paper no so ebe kono na so no wo me free so no me ja so no wo ba ebe ba be eti ebe ba be to ballot paper no so obe kwa akoto so no ono so be free ho no na osono no ye den ewo
your party nyina ne se osono no ne hia enye nipa obedi osono na yenmia se mbeto aba ama osono no. Retooling the Air Force. The former defense minister say abanyin tum say obeso top presidential jet edema Ghana no man penitimi etnemu no jojo ne ho enye retooling of Air Force bia nitiwo.
From 2019, for 4 good years, in fact 5 good years, made hell and fetish out of buying and retooling the military. Mr. Speaker, they insulted the former president, insulted my good self. Some of them, led by the foreign minister, became experts in aviation overnight. Mr. Speaker, today, you have come and under paragraph 1091 You say you want to buy 1 long-range aircraft and 1 medium-range aircraft. Mr. Speaker, even them to accept the fact that they are intending to buy VIP and executive jets, they are running away from it. This is how the VIP aircraft looks like. What in Ghana here we call presidential aircraft. This is how it looks like. And you intend to buy 2 of them.
Okay. I don't see or say Omanhene John Dramani Mahama are buying person or 2 private presidential jet. No, I said that they are military force. Military for now more retulio. Minority are omra shebe your fear a year edom kumano say. Na ochimi nubiano, anana ochibiano, kombenya. Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Kufia Mabua, Emram Rashebe your fear. No much require or more faswa. Womo eden nemesisi akwema or more echo illegal mining. Anti enono omo kanafe mama. Ayariga majority leader. One also says Siano, a buying at the near Mabibria Tua. Any minister or government appointee caught in illegal money will face the full force of the law.
Any government official found to be aiding and abetting will be arrested. Like in the past, where party kingpins, where reports were brought by ministers showing that government officials are aiding and abetting. Today, any government official found to be aiding and abetting will be arrested. Any party official, no matter how high, whether you are at the national level or you are at the regional level, if you are caught, the president will not say anything. He will allow the due process of the law to deal with you.
Okay. Now, on one side, on the 2 justices is here. Na Ghana phobe esu se excavators ba na eba omanmu. Enso so mo ya amosemo ko galanse excavators isu na say. Or say it is practically impossible now. Tough new restrictions are binding egu akwem no edin pass over betimi akra excavator. Baba Yarga.
Has become next to impossible to import excavators into this country. Next to impossible. I have been approached by even contractors, road contractors, who have legitimate road construction contracts from government, and they are having a difficulty even getting permission from government to import specifically excavators for the purposes of their road construction projects, because government is very, very keen on limiting the influx of excavators into our country. And indeed, for those who don't really understand...
Okay. Yeah, also.
I'm going to Radiadum. Radiadum.
Okay. Mammy Fancy Wage. Custom officer be war. Kumasia. Nah. Your friend, friends. Ni. I ready. I say we didn't kabashi me. Custom officer. Okumasia. Your friend Prince Ni or die. Na tia otete. Kumasia dwadifo. A omko yi niema otema. Yaw. Akwai te say. Dia metin ansen akra me say me mabodi din.
Prince the
Ni or die. So officer me boa. Enipa mako and 9 and I report to me. I have their voices here. Over the container. Now Omanhene Yaw mama mesre no. Reset no port ebi ma ho. Now national security for ebrebi na yesu ayekun ho ntokwa bebrebe FPP NDC 2016 and then that can't tell the custom for okay. Ube kai 2016 Ghana for bebre sui ewo national security boys be
yes
Emma MPP buy ombe yi free ho omo wie first time na no sa so omo kogu ho na omo harassing crofo o de eniema edu port away duty awie no omutimi yi gu form na all in the name say pese be yi gu form there you have to pay obasa asase e wo port ho juma omudi di adwadifo na rewo sam no say obi be yi the container ko bo so kai onya problem obi yi the container ko rolling spark tema onya problem the oba kumase no ma hia no wo ayi kubasi
wono
na yesi prince ni odai
when the commander
otumi catch now say container otumi charge you 3000 afi o say container ndo so so da bi ba ku bi a 3 one player no ati niema na begu customs for ho
the container ni ye 10 utua ba ku bi
300 million
what the
me see there's a typical case one tia
wow oju 300 million asena watwam
ba ku bi a 3000
agota me niema makra me
ba duty onya se bia okupa ni bia o
e wote mahabo a ya clear dia ma me se me from
me sana no mo de ye conform mo ko fa ne ma otakrade
yes
aniam kwanta
yes me kai
na customs ni na gira wo obedile wu sa because also your inspection wa wo hye se ne e na se ya odim dia koye omo niema no ye ntone hye te se ne ene purchasing power of enti omo kra niema na akọ demorage eniema na kodu demorage na obebo modna nya sika akoyi awie no enye sika kitwa no mutia o because eniema no wa nyi report na kodu demorage you pay penalties ombetime bo modna akoje bank bosia be wie no na custom officer prince ni odan on ne nkrofo no omote ho no mo etwen omo
no no zu gina kumase
so se me bo a on sue me wo proof am de ba be kire
wow
o de on fa me court
Burkina for no come yi dem free Ghana.
Burkina for yi dem ma be twem kwa ye buso obuhio ese ya kwana no man pedi joma America e ya kam ya ese wo ye kumasi businessman na wa bodua ale Monsieur o man pedi joma mama minister for transport o ye hwan
one ya
national security boys no almost juma ma started di wo mo port na se wo nyina wie na tuatua wo sa beduru hanoma yes ya chew in the name say one tua no unim de obeyi ni ma ni nyina gu fom so mo counting one by one wow what you say it is our container 8 na say eye battery no afa
car battery no mafumu
TVs say you want why you baby kwa na bia papa
eh
eti ye baby na gu form so afi omo
why na etua for sa oye
ba na say imagine say you pa you can't force what say we never
wow
arena sa yes you afraid be confiscated items uba wono na party ayi women organizer bi na obi akokra ne niema containers be mienu ebi ankwala ntade ebi a force e the marriage na wantuma ntua na aban asizi na waton ma women organizer no be 200 million ababi a container no is worth about 5 billion o no ma bono don komi ama no
20,000
no
omo oshima
no atwa ma obi etie bia wo akofa wo niema o wonim se wo niema nie wo wa ne eton ni dwaso na party ni bi o wodwom ho no ya twa ma no fofofo urade yaw what cobra ko yika sa buy confiscated items no e ka wo bi to obi wa no me wa dome oman no
oh yes
because e kwai of us so onya ne car no be si ho no
yes
ebi an the car that so be ye o ontumi nya sika njiti na call demorage obo ya si confiscated vehicles na ye de akoguo na party ni bi o ma obra o young man bi or a woman or a youth organizer na say or a national executive member ubehu no Range Rover no dem kobusa wantua 50,000
mo bra papa bia obi mfifire
me say wantua 50,000 kra opa me bi funis anopay na hye adwadifo amane omunnamu eba interested in saying we don't speak for them.
Oh, yeah.
But the same government institutions and agencies
and these people are more corrupt than the police.
Na akutasa custom officer Prince ni
Odai.
Enti ono no enim duty ni ye che omo mugutem ha
That is the $1 million question.
Ono no nim duty ni calculate, onim duty ni ye, onim duty no SSC ye che omo a.
So we press conference be on crime crab odidi.
Yes.
Saturday no akwa tia sika na oje ye na tum. Na Saturday ye tia sika ewo banks. Saturday nyumre 5 p.m. Oh, one share ya. Mimi nino. But and some are meeting they mention his name.
Oh yes.
Otherwise na betra say ube say as antiform rant na adwuma na. Ye de wa ba hase begu omunyuma.
Na ono akunta ye de wa ba say wadwuma na wo ye ne true that government ebe generate revenue. Na nipa na wache ne niema esi wo no mo no a waji sika na gu obotom no. Nipa na so wokoye adwuma na otua taxes ene ade de ma ba no. Ye titi o sa say bosumi o say na wochi o say na wochi mienu no. Wan kwankoton a egu eti wan na etua for.
Omo aka no me so omo po omudi mame. Ebi onu di na aba wo the office of ahodi esisie na musisi di pasa entade wura
ade ya me customs officer
police dia no wura soldier no wura na ye de mu ba se mu mekuyen no wo gwa ko pem customs adwuma ye no na ye say the whole team say wo ba be say obi adwuma wo obi adwuma ni pa na wa che ne niema no ebi ankwala be 10 omanu aduane oho no munya free.
Yes.
Wo boso so ajo akatua gugutom obi a onye wo hwe no wa tia sika ma aban wo si se bia se wo anda invoice o say enkama no ayi cheat na man receipt na jiska no ma aban dabi mujigu mu botom
so wo je container ba ku bia say 3000
so container ba ku bia 3000 container to aso 8 nya dia me na ko because of that too much car na beguo original commander na wo ha no no se wutie mi a sa na mo de cha na party fo ni mu hwio na abufuo nti omanpani akufado tra ho ye hwehan butumi regional minister mo ye kan ka o man fi the 2024 the whole Kumasi business community sorry tia now anything na mo lusu yes mo ni mo a because me say me boss everyone kotoaba ma MPP obi se ba kotoaba
David
no ba sika to dia dedi
na bi kra woni o mo nkwala na o mutu o se unim
na toaba ma MPP abo
so kotoaba ma MPP o
because aba o begu adwuma
oh yes
and no one so regional minister say utie mi a na kwasi say utie mi a wo kwado banju so dako se dako gina Kubasi wonu pack your car na shede omudi
yes
Kumasi businessmen now omo support mu because Kumasi businessmen no creba they supported NDC
they had a fundraising
they did a fundraising rich condos sika obu raise ba abonyago oba pedi jo mama pie airport Kumasi businessmen na
kosia no koma na
ba because MPP dia na ariye ma no so we MPP enti Nana Kwasi, regional minister, Zubamo, someone sorry.
Yeah.
No man put those people in check.
Yes.
Within 2 years,
guy, no,
it will whittle away like something if you don't know her.
Oh, yes.
Because Obian one man and what the Anibabo no best scratch
Temahabo, you see containers in Besia, or the Ade friends, scanners, so say this.
Job for the boys.
No,
job for the boys. Now, man, said they in another Sanskrit boys be. No more decent Gunusa. Ye candidate they are able to make they should all move 1 month. No must have
no massa back on the roof.
I don't know what continue to say it. The banner of Fania Mano say a couldn't cry of fast so yes, Kakra call ye duty on the
duty on them
entirely. Yeah, I say we buy me need Kumasi Business Committee PD come on. Now the come back come here and say almost say some of these expatriates doing business, similar business with Kumasi,
Oh,
pay taxes.
And they don't face challenges.
They say
they don't face some of the challenges.
Many penny back with the Gomano pay. Or see, one more India for any
China
for Omuka Mundia Manibino. Omuka the Chamwa, the
Chamwa, Nekosa, Monsieur told me, oh, the any gun and Nico Chamo,
a chum.
I don't
with him. Or say, agent, will you containers, Emma or no? Any Nadam Dunia Bakuno. So agents land the India for Nima. Omunchi Omuka da.
The same thing with free
I don't pay.
Prince in your dining
send the audio Sama Munamoti.
Mr. Okechra, me say, almost say,
and I'm saying,
the same.
I want to be a business.
They don't even pay such, they don't go to that system. Almost say, a bus, I know my catch one busy for no. Say, yeah, Chinese embassy in Ghana. India a high commission. So they say Ghana for the year, say they communicate to the presidency. So why is it not?
That to be complaining to anybody.
The same amount. I mean, American enterprise. Hey, Ghana ni.
Don't see any more pack. Debom.
Ya bought my enterprise.
Chonkumu.
Jesus Park for ni bibi ni Ghana ni de
the party katomani.
Oh yes.
Uniform so what constituency organizer.
What party full soldier.
What national executive. Etu onyawa most ankrofoi. Che anona Domawo. Democracy hub.
Yes.
No ka sembi.
Yeah.
I'm 3 days ago say Kumasi. Now, people thought, say, Kube, now it's 10 cities.
Yes.
Only 2 hours come as I'm so about Kumasi na, say, come and see. As for Kumasi people, they will sabotage the government. And Akwaba could be 2 or say, and you're no crack. Accra, or 3 areas, baby, also talk Kube, because the 12 cities, and they know BIA. Because Kumasi,
yeah.
If they don't know, NDC had the 2nd largest votes in Ashanti region. The whole Ghana. We Greater Accra. NDC had 679. The supposedly stronghold voter region, it was 581.
Yes. Omanhene
600 crowd. Your mama had 679 votes. Now 1,000. And perform best of sabotage. It's your mindset because MPP strong with the Ashanti region, you know. Bibi Kakrabia, as for Kumasi, it's your person, the politics, no crab. Driver Fuana, Ubahun, Dipano Tata, and Ubako Dino, then Yasantidi. Near Naba Ashanti region, no Tata for because political stupidity, I like to say, you know. It's Yenya, Omono to say, as a one cool crowd. Prince New or Diana, why no? Master, stop that nonsense.
Oh yeah.
Yam for Yamayo, customer officer said, Tata, what be a Juma?
Obi a bida.
And Brantia be a Juma or Hanuma or Moya, you know. Sign MPPD or Omo. Now we send the Panama and this Maba and then a Papa Freno, Professor Ade.
Stephen Ade.
Wakaka say, oh. NDC is doing very better than MPP. But had MPP for the BD in attempt. Oh, we had was saying gold board there. And also so and also Galam say, and MPP for the budget, so NDC for the attempt.
So you see,
because Papa no, as more kind no, Yatraka say the advent of gold board no, a very difficult to kill Galamsey. Yankani baby but because of the professor there, it's not platform so kind. That's why yes, my kind many times say gold board no. Sika de ma buy no. 2027 ho ba bi ni agalam say ombetuma ko ba pass as say ade ehwie gumi oh munyimani no be next year officer company so the kati for big push no
oh here sika
wakwaje musa
no the
finances almost $9 billion egu ho how dey yakwan wonya no 1 year
now ya kwan wie na businessman yo me ba wa bi
ya kwan wie na nso ni nyina sai na kwan ni nyina na ya kwan no so na asase na de bedua no ban ni nyina sai na bo hu priority na businessman no ne ho chire no what is the meaning of this
now you do
as a politicians minimum the crow
na go tell
they behave like they care but it is the very politician that are squeezing us.
Yes. Obukom no osaso esrehwe wonim. Obukom nyina no na osre. Agota businessman na wo so wache ne ma de esi wonom no. Ebia businessman no wo de wo hwe no on the face value. Se me hwe udin ya abo ama me hwe udin adwo akwadu a ebia wo ye MPP ni. Wonim emrante ne maba wa form adwuma no. Party a longe. Unim sa mrantie no ene maba wana wa form adwuma no abosumi bia aso a omo sempoa ne kapre e to aduane di no ene sa brantie no anasa baba wana senye sa businessman na ebefa na adwuma a ene oni adwuma no tifia ba na nko atwete kan e de ba wo sa custom officer prince ni odai no ko de ba wo so ofie. Why do you do this? So fi se nipa no bibi ohono mo a enko ya there are processes e wo because the depend of under boys unim cause I duty ne calculate check tema habo no I scanners for it. Why do you do it?
Because it's really unconscionable ne say o man sunyane say obi si yi ne ma meko sunyane
you go I don't know me yalo and that's got tamale
and ebesi twem the same kumase who prince me oda wani me na etwem ko
nye se bi
kumase say takrani for what you say you but kumase akwet say anytime custom officers e banom de omani asiso wo be kai MPP say murubi omudi ye oba wo say eyi dia ni bi akotena ho make sanse muru ni bi da
S5 choba ho ne no mo
otoye madia ne amake
ni ko bia mtimi ni se
omajai na omunya wesun kan
ene amisa dai
omunya wesun kan
na me ti hono mo me koto mo a uto mo a ne abusa fried rice no atone say sika se no de omajai na mo make musongo matimi di sade we ya be apesema ya
omajai
adan ya say wo mu ntua NDC ba o twa mu no onya sika nya aduma
omajai na we say sika we na misra we de enko aka bibia semba me pa chewo former MMDC for se me fa PB through your media na me fa nto abanyim
omusika mai
eni say on na nse mu tifi na omo hwese de mampanyi mama ba ya watimi di common fund
over etia
omo se brade senka na nadu yes kiba okra ma 1 trench impo in 4 years a ke di adwuma na omo say in 2016-17 na mama first we pie no the then chief of staff and non-chief of staff honorable Julius Deborah he was able to work out and service benefit because they are covered under 71 and 71 and the by say why ya to ho ama omo emolument na uni and now do buy na dey ba ko say show omo say special second term for no omo ko second term etienu po da nchen a on say omo chiremu say no omo de no one professor Rama Adibi we bi ba say every year be am 10% to their salary increment no on as far as constitution was concerned na eba bananado entuama wom na woni mara hosem oman ene MMDC yibitifie they went home without anything nothing because can cry by a corner on say NDC for by na be misconstrue the public say they are being increase their salary from 5,000 to the 2,000
not that 5,000
that was where it started but the incrementing by year in year out when na go to the 2,000 I was saying kana na de okono na nke senka MMDC bia you supposed to pay around the 2,000 but unfortunately most of them and as a second by and farm will be
MMDCs no you tell me say from
32,000
to 35,000
and echo name
MDC you know I tuama omo
yetua and na onim no kra
tuama
omo chema taxes buy yes we could do sa threshold wa wo so taxes so there say bam na omo se obakai yaw DCB free voter region obe former DCB
anya de obewu wo ha no
very good says can na omo so otu ho na mo no to one among
hotel bi wo tech
there be no wo ma'am NDC buy ye Accra road
onya accident
onya accident free mu we free mu no na say sika no na wo tu one amnamon na omo bo minister na baso that minister local government
about this year no omo pe omo end of service benefits Julius Debra momo de no nyema o
because
na kasa de na wo say
mami frema opare anya hwe amfa
onye
according to what I'm being told no
na he say sa mami common fund
MMDC
and a local government minister no no ko ne hwan
oh say later na
local government
Dangoku no you see they all just left like that
as common fund ya no ne anato si twe ntokwa o president o report no say the woman is alleged
sabotaging her
the jubebi ase ekosi se papa no resign we that one
sika ye di ye yi no ye common fund sika ye di abesi ayi
eden ama judge for
common fund administrator eno mu be see sa dan no judge appeals court judge
who say yes who district assembly no wo hwa na common fund for na abase
ye the contract amawei
ye bre nkonya wo common fund sika na wo se ye bre no mo di nkonya office so si no bre nkonya o ma akoso wo common fund ho no
na no dey appointees ni bi AD wo akufu ado abema onu so ye hwe han ja wo mo no
yes re wo mo say abanti o mu sufre na say em make say mu be say 20 am so manya ahonjuju
basa wonim de ya na ehunu pa yaw onse wo status bi na udu a ultimate ma wo
yes
it in your struggling nature to maintain enye easy now so we are buying kra na you maintain wa obrepa we opposition what just still maintain ya na change ni mo do still maintain
wa ahweden no
MMDC yet low salary so na yet you ka 5,100
some on trade the two ni ma
why
ejije akota omo end of year
almost say calculating interest almost
instead of
you are not supposed to under no circumstance should you make a change that will not inure to the benefit. Presidents, we don't adjust their emoluments downwards. It's either you maintain or you adjust it upwards. But for the first time, Nana to almost salary super from say COVID for 4 years, are they?
And the man that this is really bring quite you man no more did.
And it was a campaign.
Oh yes, I will. Now we say
Prince Neo died COVID for 4 years. Okay. You know what? Oh, Muso. I was about this time. Boy, you would show Nana. See, on the air can also UTB.